Welcome back to Mini Excavator Rental, where we do dump trailer hauling services to haul sand, gravel, dirt, mulch, etc. It's a call 910-420-1275. You can also haul away your yard debris. The sun's loading for the first time. Dirt for his customer so they can get topsoil instead. Doing a good job, don't you guys think? Leave your comments below. Like and subscribe. This is for beginners, or for those that can give us some tips and points how to do things differently or better, or efficient. I'm still not learning to say this both myself as I'm teaching my son. Proud of. Up, dude. You guys gotta excuse my voice. I don't know what's going on. I'm feeling a little under the weather. All right. A round of applause.